Wow!
Usually just like this. Ayan. Siyempre may natry din natin siya. So dito sa receiver naman, pwede na siya sa Android. Ayan. Pwede rin siya sa Apple. I think Apple. Apple. Yeah, Apple. Then, siyempre, kailangan mo natin siya try. Charger. Like that. So, here's my power bank. Try. Siyempre, gagawin natin yung cord dyan. Meron pa naman 2 bars, 1 bar. So, we will try to plug it. Yun. So, meron siyang charge na 8%. So, we will try also to plug our microphone via charger. Siya nga pala. Dalawang klase din yung pwede mo siyang charge. Pwede mo siyang charge by cord and also by this. By this. Yan natin siya. Okay? See? See the indicator? Oh, may indicator. And charge din siya. And you can charge by cord. So, by cord. There. Here's the indicator. Battery indicator. Lagyan natin yan. So, syempre, tatry na natin siya. Try ko siyang sasaksak sa ito nga pala, plug in nyo sa yung phone. Automatic na siyang connect. Try. Tingnan din natin kung mayroong pagkakaiba. Okay. So the 2 indication light is already green. This indicator is for noise reduction and this for connection. So try. So mic check, sound check. Siyempre try din natin kung merong cover. Mahirap ilagay. Yun. So, ito siya. Pag nailagay na yung kanyang cover. And this is the magnet with the lace. And we just put like this. Ayan. So, ready na siya. Ready mo siya. Sabit dito. Sabit na siya. Hold it up. Oh, stig, no? And you can just adjust it. Yeah. Yeah. See? So, try lang natin. Meron siyang button na para tanggalin yung noise reduction. So, try lang natin. Now, it's in the right side. Yes, right side. Tignan natin kung press natin siya. Remove lang natin noise reduction. Ayan, ayun, nag-click. So, mic check. Ayan yung naka-noise reduction niya. Then, we press one more for the noise reduction. So, mic check. Yan natin kung anong pagkakaiba. Meron niya ba? Yan, mic check. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. So, this is my new body in vlogging. Yeah. This is TMW 836. And that's it. Thank you.